Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel, Fluidity of Life. Karon magluto ta og cookies. Only 3 ingredient cookies. It's dalawang saging na hinog because the riper, the sweeter they are. And meron pa and oatmeal. Whoops! Oatmeal. 1.5 cups of oatmeal. And a pinch of salt. And raisins. But if you don't like raisins, you can use chocolate chip. And konting nuts, yung walnuts, kasi I like my cookies something, you know, texture, yung crunchy. And I'm gonna give you a tip to store your nuts. You know, bibili ka ng malaking bag sa Walmart or sa tindahan para ma-preserve yung life niya, para mag-last, kasi unless you use the whole thing, you know, within a week, or but if you just use little by little, like me, I'm not baking a lot, so I put in the freezer so their life will last longer, para hindi sila ma-spoil. Okay, let's go start our preparation. Imamash natin tong dalawang saging. See, it's very ripe. I'm a lazy baker, nakaupo. Mash your bananas with pork. Then add your this is 1/2 cup. By the way guys, itong recipe na to nakita ko sa internet, and then I said this is easy, only 3 ingredients. No butter, no eggs, so I said I'm gonna try making this one. And then a mix. This is my first time baking this kind of cookie, so this is kind of experimental too. So we'll see guys how this turns out. And then there it's mixed ready. Let it rest for at least 5 minutes. Takpan natin, tapos pabayaan. Tapon natin basura. Okay? 5 minutes. So I have here my baking sheet with parchment paper para madaling maglinis. My hands are clean, so we're gonna form a bowl. Up to you how big your cookies you want. How There you go, guys. I made 9 cookies. So what you're gonna do is flatten it a little bit with the back of your fork. There you go, guys. I made 9 cookies and my oven is preheating at 350 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for 15 to 20 minutes. See you later once it's done. Hi guys, welcome back. My cookies are done. Look at that. Now is the moment of truth.
Here's the moment of truth.
Glenn gonna try it. They're not that hard, so
Well, let's see.
just drink it afterwards, maybe. Oh. Right.
Yeah. Banana, oatmeal, and raisin. Actually, I'm surprised they even stay together, actually. Yeah, actually, it's not too bad.
Not bad. It's not sweet. There's a little sweetness from the banana and the raisin. But if you want sweet,
Interesting.
you can add sugar. Or add chocolate chip. Next time, I'll add chocolate chip. Chocolate chip, raisin. But this is
I guess if you're looking for a vegan cookie,
healthy.
that's the way to go.
No egg, no
egg, no oil.
No milk.
Imagine that. No oil, no egg, no flour, and a cookie. Wow. Who would have thought?
There you go. I got cookies for work.
Approved for work.
For
And
work.
and for snacking too. Good job.
Thank you for watching Fluidity of Life. Bye.
Bye.